Hello and welcome to your channel English with Hassan. This channel is for anyone who wants to learn English from the very beginning.
Present continuous form and use. So when we ask you, are you? So you should always write the long form if you answer with yes. So if I say to you, are you speaking to me? You say to me, yes, I am. Don't say to me, yes, I am, short form. So when you write yes, you should write the long form. Don't write short form with yes. Remember, huh? And if you answer with no, for example, are you speaking to me? No, I am not. So no, I am not. So it's not yes, it's no, I am not. So you should write the short form. I repeat, with yes, write the long form. And with no, write the short form. I hope it's clear. Let's continue. Let's see examples of verbs in present continuous. The first example, I am speaking to you now. So in present continuous, if we use now or we don't use it, it should be clear. For example, if I say to you, I am speaking to you, sure, it means now because I am using verb to be in present simple plus verb plus ing. So if I write now or I don't write it, it's okay. Both of them correct. I am speaking to you now. Negative. I am not speaking to her now. I am not speaking to her now. So we didn't use I don't because I don't is present simple. So we are now dealing and studying present continuous. So the negative form of present continuous is just with verb to be. I am not speaking to her now. The question, we don't use do, does, so we use just verb to be. Are you speaking to me now? And the answer, we can answer with yes, I am, or no, I am not. So I chose yes, I am. If you say yes, I am, short form, it's not correct. So you should write the full or the long form or the complete form. Let's repeat for the last time this slide. I am speaking to you now. I am not speaking to her now. Are you speaking to me now? Yes, I am. Thanks for watching. Goodbye. حد سعيد. إلى اللقاء. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.